Good morning, children. Today I am going to explain about fractions. How can define fractions? Fraction is a part of a whole. Fraction is a number which is representing a part from a whole. A part from a whole. For example, I have 5 fingers. I have 5 fingers. How many fingers I have? 5 fingers. Total how many fingers are there? Whole. Whole means total. There are 5 fingers are there. In these 5 fingers, I want to select a thumb. Now, I want to write the fraction of a thumb. A part of the whole one means total numbers 5. From that, I want to select one number, one finger, that is thumb, that is 1. Total divided by 5. Now fraction of your thumb is 1 by 5. 1 by 5. So in our school how many sections are there? There are 12 classes are there. There are 12 classes are there. In these 12 classes, what is our fraction? There are total our fraction. 7th class fraction is 7th class fraction is 1 by 12. 1 by 12. 1 by 12. Here I have 5 pens. I have 4 pens. Here how many pens I have? Here I have 4 pens. In this one, total pens. Whole means what is that? Whole means total. Total how many pens are there? There are 4 pens are there. From this, I am selecting this pen. So what is the problem? A part of a whole. It is a part. From this whole, total is 4 pens. From this, I am selecting a pen. This is 1 by 4. 1 by 4. For example, if I take these 3 pens I am selecting. These 3 pens I am selecting means what is the fraction? 3 by total pens is 4. Total pens is 4. Like this, we can write total fraction. So a number, fraction is a number which is representing a part from a whole. That is called a fraction. That is a fraction. So in this fraction, we have different types of fractions are there. In this fraction, there are different types of fractions are there. That is, there are different types of fractions are there. In these fractions, first we are going to observe. Look at here. Types of fractions. First one is proper fraction. Proper fraction means what is that? Numerator. Here, fraction means there are 2 things we can observe. That means numerator by denominator. Fraction means what is that? Numerator by denominator. Example, 3 by 5. 3 is a numerator and 5 is a denominator. 5 is a denominator. Here, proper fraction. That means numerator is less and denominator is big. So here numerator, what is the numerator here? 1 and the denominator is 2. So 2 by 3. 2 is small, 3 is big. 3 by 5. 3 is numerator is small and the denominator is big. Like this we can explain proper fraction. Now improper fraction. Improper fraction. What is, how can define improper fraction? The reverse of the proper fraction. So numerator is big, denominator is less. Numerator is big and the denominator is less. So 5 by 3. Here numerator is 5 and the denominator is 3. Here 5 by 4. 5 is the numerator and denominator is 4. 9 by 4. 9 is the numerator and the denominator is 4. Here we should observe means all the denominators are small and all the numerators are big letters. This is improper fraction. Now mixed fraction. How can define mixed fraction? Whole number. 3 is a whole number and a proper fraction. 1 by 4 is a proper fraction. This is called a mixed fraction. Then another category is new like fractions. How can define like fractions? Here if you observe means what are the denominators here? 5, 5, 5, 5. Everywhere all the fractions belongs to same denominator. So how can define a fraction with same denominator is called a like fraction. How can define once again? A fraction with the same denominator. Like fraction means how can denominator? How can define a fraction with the same denominator? Same denominator is called a like fraction. Example: 2 by 5, 1 by 5, 3 by 5, 13 by 5, 7 by 5. So here like fraction means a fraction with the same denominator is called a like fractions. Here everywhere 5 is the denominator. And unlike fractions. What are the unlike fractions? How can define unlike fractions? A fraction with a different denominator. Like fraction means how can define? A fraction with the same denominator is called like fraction. Unlike fractions means a fraction with a different denominator is called unlike fraction. Here 3 by 5, 4 by 3. Here if you observe the denominators means 5, 3, 15, 7 like this. We have different denominators. So these fractions are unlike fractions. These fractions are unlike fractions. Unlike fractions. Now we go for some examples. Here mixed fraction is there. 3 1 by 2. 3 1 by 2 what type of fraction? It is a whole number and the proper. This is a whole number and it is a proper fraction. Proper fraction. So it is a mixed fraction. How the mixed fraction convert into a improper fraction? This is whole number and this is denominator, this is numerator. Now here 3 into 2 plus 1 by, that means 2 into 3 or 3 into 2. Now 3 into 2 or 2 into 3 plus 1 by 2. That means 3 2s are 6 plus 1 by 2, that equal to 7 by 2. So 3 1 by 2 means what is the meaning? 3 1 by 2, 3 1 by 2, 3 and half. 3 and half is nothing but 7 1 by 2. And one more example. 4 2 by 3. 4 2 by 3. How can I write? 4 into 3 plus 2 by 3. 4 into 3 or 3 into 4 plus 2 by 3. 4 3s are 12 plus 2 by 3. That means 14 by 3. 14 by 3. 4 3 4s are 12. 12 plus 2 14 by 3. So for this we can convert into mixed fraction into improper fraction. So for this one formula is there. What is the formula? This is denominator. So denominator into whole number plus numerator by here denominator. This is the formula for mixed fraction convert into improper fraction. What is that? Look at here. Denominator into whole number. 3 into 2 plus 1. 3 into 2. 3 into 2 plus 1 by 2. That means 3 2s are 6 plus 1 by 2. That equal to 7 by 2. How will you get this 7 by 2? Like this. This formula. By using this formula, we are going to get a mixed fraction convert into a whole number and the denominator multiplication and adding the numerator. So 2 into 3 or 3 into 2 plus 1 by 2. Like this we write the mixed fraction convert into a improper fraction. So by using the, what is the formula for mixed fraction convert into a improper fraction? Denominator into whole number or whole number into denominator plus numerator by denominator. This is the formula for converting to whole number into a mixed fraction into a improper fraction. Next topic is addition of 2 addition or subtraction of a fractions of a fraction. First category we go for like fractions. First we go for like fractions. First like fractions. We want to add or subtract like fractions. For example, 1 by 6 plus 2 by 6 plus 4 by 6 plus 3 by 6. If we observe here means denominators are, what are the denominators? 6, 1 by 6, 2 by 6, 4 by 6, 3 by 6. Everywhere denominators are same. That means these are a fraction with the same denominator is called like fraction. Already we discussed the definition of the like term. So now what we can do, for all the 6 we can write one denominator, and what are the operations here? 1 plus 2 plus 4 plus 3, that equal to 3, 6, 10. 10 by 6. 10 by 6. Like this we can add the like fractions. Another example, 2 by 3 plus 5 by 3 minus 4 by 3. Here denominators observe means everywhere 3 is there. That means these are all like terms, like fractions. Now 3 for the common denominator, we write for all the 3, we write 1 3, and here 2 plus 5 minus 4. So what is the here? There are two operations are there, addition also there, subtraction also there. Now 2 plus 5, 7 minus 4 by 3. 2 plus 5, 7 minus 4 by 3, that equal to 3 by 3. 3 by 3. Another example if you take means 5 by 2 plus 2 by 2 plus 3 by 2 minus 4 by 2. Minus 4 by 2. Here all the denominators if you observe means what will happen? All the same denominators, that means these are all like terms. These are all like terms. For this all the denominators, instead of all the denominators, we write only one denominator and we can add all the numbers or subtract. 5 plus 2 plus 3 minus 4. Now if we add this number means 7, 7 plus 3, 10. 10 minus 4 by 2. 10 minus 4, 6 by 2. Like this we can add the like fractions, or add or subtraction of the like fractions. So instead of how the unlike fractions can be converted into like fractions, how the unlike fractions convert into like fractions by using LCM. What is meant by LCM? Least common multiple. For example, LCM of 10, 15, 20. LCM of 10, 15, 20. So 10, 15, 20. If you take like this, now least table 2. 2 5s are 10, 15 will not go, 2 10s are 20. Again 2 10. 5, 15 will not go, 2 5s are 10. Now after that, if you common table 3 will go. First you can check lowest to highest. Now we go for 3. 3 5 table will not go. 3 5s are 15. 5 will not go. Next after that 5 table. 5 1s, 5 1s, 5 1s. Now LCM equal to 2 into 2 into 3 into 5. That equal to 2 2s are 4. 3 5s are, this 2 multiply 4. This 2 multiply means 15. 15 4s are 60. Like this 10, the LCM of 10, 15, 20 is 60. So 10 2 table, 2 5s, then 15 will not go, 2 10s are 20, Again 2 table, 5 will not go, 15 will not go, 2 5s are 10. Then after 2 table, immediately go for 3 table. If you 3 table will not go, means go for next table. Like this we want to check. 3 table, 5 times will go. Then 5 table, everyone will go 1 1 time. So if you come 1 1 1 means we can stop the process. Then we want to multiply all the factors. 2 2s are 4, 5 3s are 15, 15 4s are 60. So the LCM of 10, 15, 20 is 60. 10. Okay. Next we go for now addition of two unlike fractions. Addition of two unlike fractions. For example, find 2 by 3 plus 3 by 5. 3 by 5. If you observe here means these two are different denominators. Different denominators means what is the meaning? Unlike terms. Unlike terms. Now we go for LCM of 3 and 5. That means 3, 5. 3 table, 3 ones, 5 will not go. Then 5 table, 5 ones. Now LCM equal to 3 into 5, that equal to 50. So what is the LCM here? LCM is 50. Now if you take the first number, what is the first number? 2 by 3. 3 how many times will go? 3 5s are 50. Into 5 into 5. That means 2 5s are 10 by 50. If you go for second number, 3 by 5. 3 by 5. Here LCM is 50. How many times will go? 3 times. 5 3s are 50. So here also we want to multiply by 3. That means 3 3s are 9 by 50. Now first number how become 10 by 50 plus 9 by 50, that equal to, now here what are the numbers given? 2 by 3 plus 3 by 5. So these two numbers are different denominators. That's why these two are unlike terms. After taking LCM and simplification, now the two denominators are same. So the unlike terms can be converted into like terms by using the LCM. Now these two time like terms become into like terms. Now for this 15, now 10 plus 9, that equal to 19 by 15. Like this we want to find the unlike terms convert into like terms. Similarly we go for subtraction also. We can do. Now look at here. 2 1 by 2, 2 1 by 2 plus 3 1 by 3. Now this 2 we want to add to mixed fractions. Now first the mixed fractions convert into proper fraction, then we go for add or subtract. Now 2 2s are 4, 4 plus 1, 5 by 2 plus 3 3s are 9, 9 plus 1, 10 by 3. Now these two are unlike terms, unlike fractions. Now LCM of 2 and 3. Why we need to find LCM of 2 and 3? Because these 2 and 3 are unlike fractions. The unlike fractions can be converted into like fractions. Then only we go for adding or subtracting. Now LCM 2, 3. 2 table, 2 ones, 3 will not go. Now 3 table. Now LCM equal to 2 into 3, that equal to 6. LCM is 6. Now take the first number. What is the first number here? 5 by 2. 5 by 2 into, here what is LCM? 6. So 2 how many times will go? 2 3s are 6. And then here also 3. Now 5 3s are 15 by 6. 5 3s are 15 by 6. Next second number is 10 by 3. Now 3 how many times will go in 6? 3 2s are 6 into 2, that equal to 20 by 6. Now first number 15 by 6 plus 20 by 6. Now here 2 and 3 different denominators, so these two are unlike terms. Now 6 and 6, these two are like terms. For this we can add directly 6, 15 plus 20, that equal to 35 by 6. 35 by 6. 5 2 7, 20 plus 15, 35 by 6. Okay, like this we can convert. Welcome back to math class. Now we discuss fractions. Now we go for multiplication of fractions. Multiplication of fractions. So what is the symbol for multiplication? Into. Now first problem we can discuss. 3 into 1 by 7. So 3 is a number and 1 by 7 is a fraction. How can I write this one? 3 into 1 by 7, that equal to 3 ones are 3 by 7. 3 ones are 3 by 7. Now another example. 2 into 3 by 5. 2 into 3 by 5. Now how can multiply? This is the numerator. Here there is no number, means we can take it as 1. Or simply we can leave like that. Now 2 into 3 by 5. That equal to 2 3s are 6 by 5. Next example. 3 into 3 by 2. 3 into 3 by 2. Now what are the numerators? Numerators are 3 into 3 by 2. 3 into 3 by 2. That equal to 3 3s are 9 by 2. 9 by 2. Another example. 4 into 2 by 3. 4 into 2 by 3. Now what are the numerators here? 4 is one numerator and 2 is another numerator. Now 4 into 2, denominator is 3. So that equal to 4 2s are 8 by 3. 8 by 3, we can do like this. So this is the first model of the multiplication of fractions. Number and a whole number and a fraction. Now another category, we go for another type. Second category, fraction into fraction. Fraction into fraction. Fraction into fraction, we are going to multiply. First question. 2 by 3 into 1 by 3. Here 2 by 3 is a one fraction and 1 by 3 is another fraction. Now how can multiply this one? First we want to multiply numerators. 2 into 1 divided by, what are the denominators here? 3 and 3. So 3 into 3, that equal to 2 ones are 2 by 3 3s are 9. How can multiply these fractions? 2 by 3 into 1 by 3. 2 by 3 is a one fraction and 1 by 3 is another fraction. Then numerators we want to multiply 2 into 1 by 3 into 3. That means 2 ones are 2 by 3 3s are 9. Now if we take another example. 2 by 5 into 1 by 3. 2 by 5 into 1 by 3. 2 by 5 is a one fraction and 1 by 3 is another fraction. We want to multiply these two fractions. How can multiply? Numerators. What are the numerators? 2 into 1 by 5 into 3. So we want to multiply numerator and denominator. Then 2 ones are 2 by 5 3s are 15. Like this we can multiply. If we take another example, 2 by 4 into 2 by 3. 2 by 4 into 2 by 4 into 2 by 3. That equal to, Now numerators, what are the numerators? 2 into 2 by 4 into 3. That equal to 2 2s are 4 by 4 3s are 12. If we leave like that, or we want to simplify this fraction, 4 1s, 4 3s. So here the simplest form of 4 by 12 is 1 by 3. 1 by 3. Like this we can multiply. If anyone, so here we discuss some simplest forms. Here we want to discuss some simplest form of the fractions. Simplest forms. Simplest forms. Simplest forms. 16 by 32. So we want to cancel numerator and denominator same number, same table or same number. Then we get the simplest form. For example, 2 table cancel means 2 8s, 2 16s. Again 2 table cancel means 2 4s, 2 8s. Again 2 table means 2 2s, 2 4s. Again 2 table means 2 1s, 2 2s. So this is the simplest form and we cannot simplify this 1 by 2. So 16 by 32 is nothing but 16 by 32 is nothing but 1 by 2. 1 by 2. Another one is 15 by 25. 15 by 25. So here 15 which table will go generally? 5 table. And denominator also 5 table. So we want to simplify numerator which table we are going to divide, and the same table we want to divide with the denominator also. So 5 table means 5 3s are 15, 5 5s are 25. So 3 by 5 is the simplest form. We cannot simplify after these steps. So third question, if you observe, means 8 by 20. 8 by 20. Now 2 table, 2 4s, 2 10s. Then again 2 table, 2 2s, 2 5s. So 8 by 20 equal to 2 by 5. 2 by 5 is the least form or simplest form of the fraction. Like this we can do the simplest form. Already we learn in 6th standard. Now we continue the multiplication of the fractions. Then 3 by 5 into 2 by 6. Here, if we multiply 3 by 5 into 2 by 6. Now numerators, 3 into 2 by 5 into 6. Now what are the numerators? Numerators we want to multiply, and the denominators we want to multiply. Now any cancellations means we can get cancelled. 2 1s, 2 3s. 2 1 times, 2 3 times. Then what are the numbers? 3 into 1 by 5 into 3. Now again we want to get cancelled. Any cancellation, numerator 3, denominator 3 cancel. Then what are the numbers remaining? 1 by 5. In this way we can do another method to find the simplest form of the multiplication of matrix, multiplication of fractions. Next, 15 by 20 into 4 by 3. 4 by 3. Here 15 by 21 fraction and 4 by 3 another fraction. Now numerators. What are the numerators here? 15 into 4. 15 into 4 by 20 into 3. 20 into 3. Any cancellations? 3 1s, 3 5s. Now remaining 5 into 4 by 20 into 1. Now again any cancellations? 5 1s, 5 4s. That means 1 into 4 by 4 into 1. Then 4, this 4 cancel. Then remaining is 1 by 1. That equal to 1. That equal to 1. If we take another example, 10 by 30 into 20 by 40. 20 by 40. Now, if we take numerators 10 into 20 by 10 into 20 by 30, denominators 30 into 40. Now, this 0 cancel, this 0 cancel, remaining 1 into 2 by 3 into 4. 3 into 4. Now, here numerator 2 ones, denominator 2 2s. Now, what are the remaining numbers? 1 into 1 by 3 into 2. That means 1 by 6. 1 by 6. Like this, we want to multiply the two fractions. Now go for another models. Now, mixed fraction and proper fraction. We want to 3 1 by 2 into 1 by 2. 3 1 by 2 into 1 by 2. Now, this mixed fraction convert into proper fraction. How can yesterday I discussed the formula? What is the formula for this? Whole number into denominator plus numerator by denominator. That means 3 into 2 or 2 into 3. 2 3s are 6. 6 plus 1. 7 by 2 into 1 by 2. Now, after that, normally numerators we want to multiply 7 into 1 by 2 into 2. That means 7 by 2 2s are 4. Like this we want to multiply. 5 1 by 2 into 1 1 by 2. Now here two mixed fractions multiplication. So first this one multiplied 5. 5 2s are 10. 10 plus 1. 11 by 2 into 1 1 2 ones are 2. 2 plus 1 3 by 2. Now 11 by 2 one fraction, 3 by 2 another fraction. Now we want to multiply 11 into 3 by 2 into 2. That equal to 33 by 4. 33 by 4. Like this we want to simplify. First mixed fraction convert into proper fraction. Then after that normal multiplication. Normal multiplication. Next topic, we want to multiplication by using the symbol of. Of stands for multiplication. Of stands for multiplication. Of stands for multiplication. Of stands for multiplication. So another way how will give? They will give half. So that means 1 by 2 of 24. 1 by 2 of 24. That means 1 by 2 of stands for multiplication into 24. That means here denominator, no denominator means we can take it as 1. Now numerators, what are the numerators? 1 into 24 by 2 into 1. 2 into 1. That equal to 124s are 24. 2 ones are 2. That means 2 ones 2 12s. So answer is 12. So 1 by 2 of 24 equal to 12. 1 by 2 of 24 equal to 12. Now second question. 3 by 5 of 30. 3 by 5 of 30. That means 3 by 5 into 30. Of stands for in multiplication 30. 30 means 30 by 1. 30 by 1. Now 3 into 30. Numerators. What are the numerators? 3 into 30 and the denominators are 5 into 1. 5 into 1. Now 5 ones, 5 6 are 30. Now remaining numbers 3 into 6 by 1 into 1. That means 3 6 are 18 by 1. By 1. So that equal to 18 by 1 is nothing but 18. 18 by 1 is nothing but 18. Now another example. 2 by 3 of 45. 2 by 3 of 45. How can do this one? 2 by 3 half stands for multiplication 45. Now 2 into 45 by, here denominator is 1. Numerators 2 into 45 and the denominators are, what are the denominators? 3 into 1. That equal to. Now if any cancellation means we can cancel it. 3 ones, 3 15s. 3 ones, 3 15s. Now what are the remaining numbers? 2 into 15 by 1 into 1. That equal to 30 by 1. That equal to 30. So 2 by 3 of 45 equal to 30 is the answer. Now we go for different another models. Next, half stands for multiplication. Half stands for multiplication. Some fraction they will give into symbol and another sum they give simply half. Next, fourth sum. 3 by 2 of 20. 3 by 2 of 20. Now 3 by 2 into half stands for multiplication with 20. That means 3 into 20 by denominator, no denominator means we can take as 1. Now 2 into 1. If any cancellation means 2 ones, 2 tens. That means 3 into 10 by 1 into 1. That equal to 30 by 1. That equal to 30. That equal to 30. So 3 by 2 of 20 equal to 30. Next, fifth question. 1 by 5 of 10. 1 by 5 of 10. That means 1 by 5 half stands for multiplication into 10. 10 means 10 by 1. That equal to numerators 1 into 10 by 5 into 1. 5 ones, 5 twos. That means what are the remaining numbers? 1 into 2 by 1 into 1. That equal to 1 twos are 2 by 1 ones are 1. 2 by 1 is nothing but 2. 2 by 1 is nothing but 2. So 1 by 5 of 10 equal to 2. Next, sixth question. 2 by 7 of 14. 2 by 7 of 14. Now, how can I write this one? 2 by 7 half stands for multiplication into 14. That equal to 2 into 14 by, here denominators are 7 and 1. So 7 into 1. Here any cancellation is there means 7 ones, 7 twos. Now what are the remaining numbers? 2 into 2 by 1 into 1. 2 twos are 4 by 1. That equal to 4 by 1 is nothing but 4. 4 by 1 is nothing but 4. So like this we can do the fractions of using the operation half. Half stands for multiplication. Half stands for multiplication. Half stands for multiplication. Next, 2 by 3 of 27. 2 by 3 of 27. Now, how can I write this one? 2 by 3 half stands for multiplication into 27. 27. Here, numerators are 2 into 27 and denominators are 3 into 1. Now, 3 ones, 3 nines. Now, remaining numbers 2 into 9 by 1 into 1. 2 into 9, 18 by 1. That equal to 18. Like this, we can multiply. In this one, we are going to multiply fraction 1 by 2 of 2 by 3. 1 by 2 of 2 by 3. That means 1 by 2 half stands for multiplication and 2 by 3. Now, normal multiplication. 1 into 2 by 2 into 3. If any cancellations here, 2 ones, 2 ones. So remaining 1 into 1 by 1 into 3. 1 ones are 1 by 1 threes are 3. Next, third question. 3 by 5 of 2 by 3. 3 by 5 of 2 by 3. That equal to 3 by 5. Of stands for multiplication and 2 by 3. Now, numerators 3 into 2 by 5 into 3. Here, any cancellation means here itself we can cancel. 3, 3 cancel. Then, numerator 3 and the denominator 3 should be cancelled. Now, 2 by 5 is the answer. So, 3 by 5 of 2 by 3 means 2 by 5. This is the answer. Next, fraction to mixed fraction. Fraction to mixed fraction. First one, 3 1 by 2 of 1 by 2. First, this fraction will be converted into proper or improper fraction. Proper fraction converted means 3 2s are 6, 6 plus 1, 7 by 2. Half stands for multiplication and 1 by 2. Now normal multiplication. So 3 1 by 2 how will converted? 3 2s are 6 or 2 3s are 6 plus 1. 7 by 2 into 1 by 2. Half stands for multiplication. After that 7 by 2 into 1 by 2. Now normally we can multiply 7 into 1 by 2 into 2. That means 7 by 4. 7 ones are 7. Then 2 2s are 4. 2 2s are 4. One more example. If you take one more example. 5 1 by 2 into 2 1 by 2. 2 1 by 2. Now here 5 1 by 2 half 2 1 by 2. Now this mixed fraction convert into number first. Then how can converted this one? First 5 1 by 2. That means 2 5s are 10. 10 plus 1 11 by 2. Half stands for multiplication. 2 2s are 4. 4 plus 1 5 by 2. Now what are the numerators? 11 into 5 by 2 into 2. That equal to 11 5s are 55 by 4. Like this we can multiply.